I'm John Goh. I've always been a private investor. Ever since finishing school, I've always got involved with investing in all kinds of instruments. It was enlightening. Why? Because I've always invested in traditional instruments like equities, bonds, options. So I've always heard about crypto. I've always heard about Bitcoin, of course. Not very sure how to do it. That's why I attended the course. Hopefully my pockets will be deeper lah. Of course, why? We make money, right? Looking to invest into XDC. If it returns at least 3 times, then I'm gonna get a new car lah. It certainly told me about certain things which I have to be aware of. Like, for example, on what platform would be safe to engage in trading of crypto, so that, as a Singaporean, I have to be very kiasu, right? I mean, just normal what. So, I want to make sure that I make, and if I have to lose, not so much lah. Okay, so in that sense, it has been very enlightening.